righteousness from God, His salvation. The earth is the Lord's, all that dwell therein. None can sustain His own soul. So let everything that has breath praise the Lord. For every good thing comes from God. Every good thing comes from God.